Oh my gosh, that is so cool. There's so many of them. There's gotta be like 30 of them. Even have like little babies too. Bella's jazzed. She's taking pictures on her phone. Hey everybody, I'm Natasha.
I'm Bill.
I'm Bella. And I'm Will.
And we're
Nursing our travel bug.
And today we are coming to you from
Rocky Mountain National Park. So we went up to Fort Collins, Colorado. We got a bike. We got some beers, and we're on our way back, and we're like, we have to stop at Rocky Mountain National Park. So last night at 5 o'clock, we got online. We did our little reserving our slot for our time to show up, and now we're here.
Yes. So that is the thing you have to watch out for is you can't just appear in the park. I think it's all COVID rules now. They sell tickets in the future, but they only sell a select number. But if you are procrastinators or just spontaneous like we were at the last minute, 5 o'clock the night before, they will release entrance tickets. Hit that button right at 5 o'clock. Easy as that. All right, we are coming to you from Hidden Valley. And what is so special about this stop, kids?
It's the Junior Ranger headquarters.
Ooh, and we got 2 Junior Rangers in training. So let's go check it out.
They have a stamp and you can do your pledge there. They give you stickers and a badge.
Put one hand up. You're going to repeat after me nice and loud. Are you ready?
Yes.
As a Junior Ranger, I promise to help protect, to learn about, and to explore Rocky Mountain National Park.
Yeah, first time we seen a Junior Ranger stamp that we could put right in our passport book. That was cool.
So this thing is really cool if you are exploring any of the national parks or monuments because you can stamp not only the park, but you can also stamp the time that you visited there. So it's a nice little memory keepsake. What's great about the Rocky Mountain National Forest is that they have hikes and just strolls for those leisurely walks. I am just loving all of the smells here in the Rocky Mountain National Forest. Just the smell of the wood and the pine. Listen to a bubbling brook, and it's just so calm and peaceful and beautiful. I really love that we have these national parks where it's untouched by man, where you get to come and appreciate what once was.
So yeah, we came into the park about 2:20. We've been here a couple hours already. We're just gonna keep driving. This is the first park we did not plan or look into what we were going to do. So playing it off the cuff. Playing it by ear.
Stop talking. Let's go explore. We gotta see animals. It's a race. First to find an animal wins a prize, says Dad.
All right, let's go.
Something to be mindful of when you visit Rocky Mountain National Park, that they are doing some road construction. Of course, this is summer 2021, just repairing the roads and the infrastructure. So if you have a nice car and you don't want to take it down gravelly roads, then visiting this summer might not be for you. We've got a really low profile car who's handling it just fine. look right there, that's the stream, I think, that we saw in Hidden Valley. Is that as far as you're going? Plenty of extra room, so I'm not so terrified. Will, come back this way. Yeah, this is great view. Time to go down. That's the road we've just been traveling on.
Thank you.
What are you doing? Get down! No. No. Are you nuts? Do you see how high up we are? Look at this. Look at... Oh, there's like a ledge within a ledge, okay? That's not as scary. But still, we're really high up. Look at that. All those people. Oh, there's teeny tiny little cars, like little ants. As we are climbing in elevation, the temperature is dropping. What's the recent dash temp, babe?
According to the car, is 58 degrees.
That's nutty. The high today in Fort Collins was 94, and we're down to 58, and we are seeing snow up close and personal. It's just wild.
Deer!
Whoa!
Deer.
There's your
Deer.
elk.
Deer.
There's your deer. What?
Dad, I won it.
Oh my gosh, that is so cool. There's so many of them. There's got to be like 30 of them. And they even have like little babies too. Bella's Jess, she's taking pictures on her phone. Wow. So neat. Ooh, that one actually has antlers. All of the rest so far have just been ladies. That one actually has some fuzzy antlers. So awesome. We're driving along, minding our own business, and we see a bunch of cars parked on the side of the road, and it's not a pullout. So we're like, what's everyone looking at? And then we see what? A moose in the wild. It's so cool. How awesome is that? All right, we got to get back to the car. We are on the downward slope of Rocky Mountain National Forest and heading more towards the west entrance.
We've been to 3 national parks since we left Arizona.
In May.
I'd have to sit and think about the number of national parks we actually been to. But if you had to rank them, where would this be on your list, kids?
At least top 10.
Top 3.
Ooh.
Top 3. Very nice.
Well, I guess really. We're talking about White Sands, places like the Grand Canyon. This is my jam. The mountains, the cool air, the smell of pine. This might be number 1 for me. It's a daring statement. It's either number 1 or number 2. I can't decide.
You know, as a travel nurse family, we've been all over the country and we visited some pretty amazing parks. Mount Rushmore was really astonishing. The Grand Canyon, Zion, Bryce Canyon. I love the mountains. The mountains, they're just majestic. You get to like this feeling in your soul. I was kind of like tearing up, like, oh my gosh, like there's snow and it's so beautiful. Definitely top 5 for me.
That's going to do it for our time here at Rocky Mountain National Park. Thank you so much for watching.
If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't.
And ring that notification bell.
And leave a comment down below. What has been your favorite national park? What did you think of Rocky Mountain National Park? And are you planners or are you spontaneous like us? We want to know in those comments down below. Again, we appreciate you watching. I'm Natasha.
I'm Bill.
I'm Bella. And I'm Will.
And we're nursing our travel bug, encouraging you to nurse what makes you happy.